Let's learn numbers to 20. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Good job. 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Keep going. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15. Almost there. 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Great job!